Now we're back to CapCut, and let me show you an angry face effect. We use this footage right here, but let me cut it a little bit short. Maybe I want to start right here, so use the split to a B, and then find a position where she gets a little bit angrier, maybe here. And now delete the excess parts. There are lots of body effects inbuilt in CapCut, that's what they're called, but it's usually an animation, just like a video effect, maybe a filter, something like this. Best way to find it is to just type in angry, and then you should get this body effect right here, download it, drag and drop it onto the footage. A couple of ways to adjust it: horizontal and vertical is for the position. So X horizontal, Y vertical. Filters, you want to turn that down because it adjusts the original colors. The amount adds a couple of these additional animations or subtracts them. Size makes it bigger or smaller. And speed is for the speed of the animation. We keep it like this. And you can see it actually tracks the face movement and it moves along with it. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.